Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. We are still in our old office, and as you can see, I wanted to show off really quick though the gaming chair. This is the Nitro, um, and as you can see, definitely really clean looks, and definitely what I really like about these is the fabric they use. It's not these unreal leather, it is like actual like soft fabric, and that way you don't start to sweat as fast. It has more room to breathe, which is giving it an extra decent look. I like the white and black combination here. There's other colors for sure that you can choose from as well. Cushion in the back here, just as normal, just the clippers. But all in all, really nicely made. As you can see, everything is clean and has a sleek and nice finish touch to it. And on the front side we have the flame for Nitro, that's the logo, and also the back piece is branded. You can just move that up and down and find where you like it, which is kind of nice to see as well. It's nice and comfy, just slide it up and down where you need it to be. And yeah, got some nice cushion going as well, so it's not gonna be too stiff on you and hurting your back, which is good. On the back, again, clippers, easily to remove. Um, Sometimes I'm not sure why they do that though, because I mean, obviously, yeah, you can remove it, but sometimes it just looks kind of cheap when you just have these clippers in the back. Now here's the fabric, what I'm talking about, um, or I was talking about. This is just super nice, really clean look and feels really comfortable. Definitely something that I keep in mind the next time I'm gonna buy a gaming chair for sure, because this is just way better than this leather things that are out there. So, at least in my opinion, that's always something to keep in mind. It's my opinion, so yeah, whatever. Then on the bottom, pretty typical. You got your little switches here going up and down, make it tiltable. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. And then here as well to put the whole back piece in the back and let's stay there. It's average. That's what you get for pretty much every gaming chair these days. So nothing too special about that. Um, Also the armrests, turnable and adjustable. Pretty solid though. There's not much movement, which is good. Sometimes there's some where you have a lot of play or a lot of room to rotate and shake and do stuff. These are really tight, which is good in my opinion. I feel like they are a little bit wide. I think they could be a little smaller, but also, again, this is personal preference. So there's probably a lot of people that like it that way. This is the overall look. Like I said, nice finish. And also the little detail up on the bottom on the cross. You have some whites, so it actually matches as well. And yeah, in my opinion, definitely a really clean presentation for sure, and really comfortable. It's a little bit more pricey than the other chairs we have on this channel so far, but considering the fact that you are getting a better piece, it makes kind of sense here, right? So I think we can call it today, you guys. My name is Badger. Take care. I will see you around in the next video. Until then, all I can say is bye bye and have a good one.